Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use guided access to lock iPad Air 2026 to a single app. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we're gonna scroll to accessibility and scroll down until we see the guided access in the general section right almost at the bottom. We're gonna enable it, and what we're gonna do here is we can change the passcode settings, of course the time limits, and enable accessibility shortcut. Of course we got the auto lock from the display, so it will automatically lock during the guided access session. So what we're gonna do here is we wanna triple click the top button and the app that we wanna use it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and let's say we want to use the messages app, and what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna triple click the button. So let's tap 3 times, and as you guys can see, we got the guided access, and we can circle areas that we want to disable. So let's say we want to disable this. Now we're gonna disable this as well, and like this. Now of course, let's see if we can adjust this and this. Now let's click start, and we need to enter the passcode. Now we need to verify it, and as you guys can see, this is how the guide access looks like. We cannot edit or simply do anything here because we cannot use it. So if we want to leave, we just triple click again and enter the password. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.